working on
Right.
today.
Right, we're somewhere special today. Where are we?
We are.
Yeah.
We're up north. We are.
We're up north.
We are proper up north.
So we've come to see Matt Oxley, this gentleman here, right? Because if you've been following our journey of late, we got given a 10th. Well, it's a Predator, isn't it?
Predator.
It's that one there. And but first and foremost, I need to apologise to you because last time, because we met before, haven't we?
Yes.
Last time I saw you, you showed me your new car that you're gonna develop and get out right at some point, right? And I kind of blogged it and then I stuck it on social media, and it blew up a little bit, didn't it? So when I say a little bit, I think it went semi-viral, and I know you had a lot of people sort of contacting you and that. So I just want to say sorry about that. So anyway, look, we're here. So we've got loads of cars here. They're all
Predators.
They're all Predators.
They're all Predators in one way or another, but they look a little bit different. Now this one here, it's got a bit of Velcro in it.
Yeah.
I'm talking technical stuff.
Yeah.
This one here's got a little battery. This one, saddle packs. That must be well old. That is.
Yeah.
But you don't want to listen to me because I don't know what I'm talking about.
No.
So talk to the main man.
Right,
About
bring in, right, Matt.
some of these cars.
Okay, so starting from here, I guess we've got to be kind of brief, but
Yeah, we'll go that way.
we'll go that way, and we'll have a chat about these and what your plans are and such. So what we got here? What's this one?
That's a 1993 car. They made quite a few cars in '93, and they were very spindly and weak. The wishbones, if you see how spindly and weak they are, the drive shafts were all aluminium and they were a bit spindly and weak. But yeah, they were a great little car, and that's the 8th car they ever made.
Number 8, officially number 8. That one.
And you were telling us
I
before,
had the very
actually.
first car they ever made, and I
Did
had
you?
the prototype.
Right.
Yeah.
You were telling us earlier about how this chassis was actually made as well. So
Yeah, but basically it's two shells sandwiched together and glued with epoxy. You can see where they ejected the epoxy there in the hole.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, and I used to run these 93 cars, and I decided that if I was going to remake the Predator, I'd want to make a 93 car because to me they just look cool.
Yeah.
So I remade the 93 car.
Which is that one, right?
Yeah, which is the same sort of carbon fibre tub. It's pretty much the same stiffness as that, but it's much stronger at the front and rear bulkhead. And what we've done is we've put an aluminium brace here because the front used to just snap off of them. They don't with this brace.
So a little bit of an upgrade from
And
that.
the slipper, because in the rules slippers are open, so I've added a slipper. And people used to make slippers out of what they had there.
I suppose that was the essence of old school racing, because people generally didn't they? They sort of put their heads together and found solutions to problems as opposed to spending lots of money. So,
but the 93 cars, they went really well anyway. They were just weak. That was the problem.
I've heard that.
So we've just probably beefed up the wishbones a little. Added webbing in.
I can see there's a little bit more structure to that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Whereas you got
Yeah.
And then at the end of Ttech's life, they made the X10, which was the best Predator they ever made. And it's a really, really good buggy. Obviously, we ran saddle packs back then. And I wanted to remake one of those because they're really good. So I came up with this, which is my prototype. This has done God knows how many miles. But I've been testing this car for just about a year now. But we've just remade. There's probably 8 cars permanently, going racing every week, and they're really strong. We've made them sort of flexible in the centre by using sort of Kevlar in the middle of them and graphite at the end, but it's all dyed black, so it looks like an original chassis.
Yeah.
We've still got our stronger brace here.
It does look belt and braces, to be fair, that one. And that's been raced quite a lot, you say, that one.
You can cartwheel them down the straight, you hit things. We've been hitting things smack on, and they're very strong now. We almost find it weird when we break something. It's normally a ball joint.
That's a nice position to be in. So it's
yeah.
really moving along and getting to where it needs to be.
Yeah, this is like, I think we made 18 chassis. variations of chassis. We made loads of certain ones, but yeah, there's 18 different types of chassis we made to get to this.
Yeah.
And yeah, really strong and really good.
So Mark raced a Predator a couple of years ago. What one can you remember from our video?
International.
It was the International.
Yeah,
that
which
he
is
raced.
pre one of these.
Which is before that, but after this, so somewhere in the middle.
Yes. Yeah,
So
sit there.
It sits somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
And then recently, Pitman Dave has passed this car on to us.
Which is another International.
I understand started off in your hands.
Yeah, what I think Dave was going to, he wanted a car to give away to charity. So I said, well, I'll make you a car up out of bits. And then I said that when we'd got some extra bits left over from the prototype cars, that I'd upgrade it for him or for you. So yeah, I was.
So maybe that's the thing to do then. Let's get this car up and running, and then I know the charity of Dave's choice actually, and maybe we should raise a bit of money.
Mate,
let's get the thing running. Let's vlog it, see how good it is. I'm sure it will be after you've cast your magic eye on it.
Well, I'm not sure how many bits we can throw at it, but we'll certainly get it more reliable than what it is.
Well, I appreciate that because I don't know anything about these cars.
No, but you need to. You've got a little confession because you took it out on the grass outside your house yesterday, didn't you?
Well, okay.
Come on. Oh, let me take that. What have you done?
I haven't done. I took it out on the grass, yeah, and I just let it. I just done it for a bit.
You just done it. It's done. It's done.
Yeah, all right. Well, with the gear in the back, I did strip a gear. I stripped a gear, but I didn't push it. I mean, I have got an 8.5 in it, but it should. When I race it, obviously, I'm going to put a 10.5 in it because I like to. I'm not going to bend the rules and cheat and things like that.
Cool.
But
so, what gearing, have you done to sort of fix that issue with the gears maybe not being as durable and reliable?
Well, we basically went all steel, like a modern car, because I think people who buy these, they're going to stick any old motor they want in it. So the only way we could get it to, we had a Predator, we ran it full throttle and threw it backwards on a high grip surface, and the only thing that would survive was all steel, like a Schumacher PB. You know, that sort of...
It's the way to go, isn't it?
It's the way to go, yeah. I mean,
absolutely.
Anything plastic and nylon-y, they last, but not very long. So we just wanted it bulletproof. So at the moment, we're still running aluminium everything. But when the new parts arrive in a few weeks, everything will be steel.
Wow.
The prototype stuff, some of it was steel, and yeah, it just lasted forever.
It's interesting to see the progression of it. So what's the ultimate goal then? Is the ultimate goal to get a car that you want to produce and sell, or is it just a labour of love for you? What's the...
I wanted to just sell some, but I wanted to only release them, which is why it took so long and so much money, is when the car that I wish they would have been when I was younger. Basically bulletproof, where you can come home from a meeting, put them on a shelf, not have to maintain them all a while. You're not constantly buying bits and worrying about them breaking down.
No, I totally get that. The first time I saw one of these was at the very first revival that we did, Carl, wasn't it? And that was, I think it was 4 years ago. And
2022.
There was one Predator, and it got, I didn't know what it was, but it got a lot of attention. And I thought, now that is an interesting looking car, because obviously the lay down shock design was way ahead of its time.
Yeah. Predators always fine grip. You know, they're all, whatever grip someone else has got, you've always got a little bit more.
Yeah. No, that's the one I ran at Revival 2 years ago was great, and it did not let me down. I had a lot of people saying it's going to let you down. You're going to blow the diff. You're going to whatever. I got through the meeting and it was really good. And I know that there's a lot of potential in this car.
We don't even think about drive issues. You know, it's been 6 months since we've had one, so we don't. It's a non-issue now.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's good. Yeah. All right. Well, look, I'll leave this with you, and if you could cast your eye over it, I'll come back and collect it. I don't want you posting it. Let's not post this car,
no,
because I know how much these things are worth. And then we'll hit the track with it, and we'll see where we go from there. Maybe we should
Maybe,
you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, we
Auction it
definitely
off.
need to run it. We definitely need to get
We
some
do.
vintage racing
It
in.
will be one of our old prototype chassis, and it will be some prototypey bits.
Cool.
But yeah,
All right.
it'll be good.
Thanks very much for letting us come here and see your wonderful collection. I'll leave it in your capable hands, and we'll come back and get it when we're getting ready.
You made a slight error there because you
What?
said thanks for sharing your collection.
Yeah.
That's not his collection.
What is it? Then?
That's just the showing of some of the cars he's got.
Oh yeah, he's got a few.
How many
cars.
Predators do you actually own at the moment?
25.
25
Okay.
Predators.
All right, this is just.
So
a short
maybe next time when we kind of pick up the car, we'll have a look at some of his favourites in the collection. There you go.
All right, well there you go. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the other thing about, and we'll see you on another.